In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to add a professional timecode overlay to our video. This is especially useful when sending a preview version of your video to a client because they can easily refer to a specific timestamp when giving feedback. Let's get started. First, select the clip on your timeline where you want the timecode to appear. Now, go to the effects panel and search for Metadata and Timecode Burn-in. Drag and drop this effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see options that control how the timecode appears on the screen. Start with the Metadata or Timecode option. Choose Sequence Timecode. So Premiere Pro displays the timeline timecode of your sequence. Next, adjust the position settings to place the timecode where you want it on the screen. Most editors place it in the top corner or bottom corner so it stays visible without blocking the video. And now, play the video and you'll see the timecode updating continuously as the video plays. This allows anyone reviewing the video to easily note exact timestamps. When the final version is ready, you can simply remove the effect before exporting the final delivery. And that's it. You've successfully added a professional timecode overlay using the metadata and timecode burn-in effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.